Welcome to Mechanical Engineering Design, and in this video we are going to look at 2D milling process. So when you are doing a drilling operation, there is a quickest way you can select all the holes, give it specific type of tool, set spindle speed and everything with only one click. Let's check. So what you do, you create a new job, which is this part, and specify it's a milling process. So one thing you need to be keen is the origin, orientation. So ensure the Z-axis faces up, X-axis and Y-axis. So when they are okay, you can just click OK. Now on this new job, we can quickly select to process these holes. Remember, the first operation you need to do when milling is drilling operation. So when you have multiple holes with different diameters, you can check, for example, these are 4 holes. The internal holes are equal, but there is now the larger hole. You can utilize CAM software to quickly select the required tool size. So just come to drilling and select drill wizard. You see, it automatically selects all the holes, give the specific tool size. So let's check the assigned tool. Go to tool library. So the CNC has automatically identified the 4 holes. This is the first drill tool of the 4 mm. There is the second tool, 4.5 mm. Now let us do quick simulation. When you check drill wizard, it has selected 3 tool types. The first one is M8, which will drill the countersunk, as you can see. The second one is 4.5, which will drill this hole. Then the third tool is 4 mm, which will drill the other 3 holes, as you can see. So just select job and proceed to stock simulation. Proceed to simulate. You can see, began with countersunk, then 4.5, then M4 bit. So you can see, it's a quick process. And finally the last hole. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you have learned something. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification so that you will not miss my next upload. Thank you.